Hi, this is Dina with Pretty Productive. We're a mother-daughter Etsy shop that sells all things budget and planner related. Today what we're going to be doing is planning for the week of March 15th through March 20th. Is that correct? No. March 21st. I'm going to do things a little bit different this time. I'm going to be planning in my Petite daily from Erin Condren, as well as the Louis Vuitton on the cloth and paper inserts. So this has really been a little bit easier for me with this way. I had been using my Erin Condren Life Planner as kind of a hub, and then breaking it down into like personal goals as well as work. And I'm finding that while I'm setting that up at the beginning of the week, I'm not touching it again. So I'm trying to simplify a little bit. We have a lot going on, as I'm sure you all do right now. So the three of us are all working from home right now, and we all three are on calls all day. So it gets a little chaotic. So we've been moving rooms around and trying to get organized for the week. So I think if I can simplify this, will be better. So to start out, how I'm setting this up is I did purchase the Erin Condren, the two new washies that they have, that one has the hourly and the other has the dots for to-dos. So I laid the hourly one onto the left hand side. So I started at 5 a.m. and then I did tear the washi and then restart at 9 a.m. on the second one, and then tear it and start at 4 p.m. and go down to 10 p.m. I know a lot of the feedback that I've been seeing on the Facebook group and on YouTube videos is if you just roll it down, it's weird, you're over your headers and things like that. So I kind of just wanted to, this is kind of my pre-morning, this is my work morning, and this is afternoon and then family time. And then over here will still be my to-do list. I did go ahead and put a sticker on for Monday, and I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick because I find that when I'm looking at it all day, I like to see a little motivation. And I did have to white out the octagon, or I think it's an octagon, right? It's an octagon. So that I could put a sticker on it. And these are the Happy Planner. This is the productivity one. Oh, they're both productivity ones, so there you go. Let's see here. I hope you are all getting through this time. It's just a crazy time. I don't know if you've tried to go to the grocery store. I'm sure you have, but that was just a project all on its own. But you know what? We can only do what we can do right now, right? And then, let's see here. I probably have the worst whiteout ever, and I just got some new ones, but I wanted to finish this one up first, but maybe I should have just made a call and gone ahead and changed it out. Too big. Hold on, I probably should have done this off camera, right? Giving you something more to do. Let's see here. Okay, this one will be a great one for Thursday. Nope, too big. Okay, well, we'll go back and look for that one. See what we want to put there. There we go. And then this one for Friday, Caffeine and Confidence, is perfect. Because by Friday, that'll be my last day before vacation, and I will definitely be ready to go. Okay, so if you saw my video last week, you know that I was supposed to be in New York this week. All of our travel got canceled. we're hoping April we can start traveling again, but so I am going to be in town this week, and then next week starts my vacation, which I am so ready for. So we're going to start with Monday. So what I have been doing over here is my gratitude on every day, but Monday it's completely blank and it's perfect. And then I did put down one of the Erin Condren trackers, and that is for my AM PM routine. And just checking off when I do it. So for my to-do list, first of all, I'm going to put my calls in. So we have 2 calls on Monday this week. So at 10:30, and then again at, it's 1:30 my time. For some reason my boss's calendar is coming out on mine, so I've color-coded mine, and I'm getting very confused on what is mine and what is hers. And then on Tuesday is always a really heavy call day. So my first call is at 8. There is a WebEx that starts at 7. And then I'm going to just jump off to do my call at 8. No, I'm sorry. I moved this one. I moved this one down to 9 because of the WebEx. Okay. Then there is a call at noon. Yeah, it's very hard to get anything done on Tuesdays anymore because we literally are on the phone all day. And then on Wednesday, I don't have any calls scheduled right now. And on Thursday, it's at noon for me. And then on Friday, we have a couple calls. So we have a team call at 10 my time. And then I have a touch base with my boss before I leave for vacation, just to make sure everything is buttoned up. Okay, you cannot put a clear sticker on top of these and expect it to pull off. And then at noon, we're chatting. So that's what I have this week. I did finish my big project last week, which was great, and that's done. But I do have a couple things I need to do this week before I leave. Okay, so my to-do list. So my Monday morning to-do list will be the weekend files. I need to work on the April at a glance. I need to work on my tracker. I need to work on order forms. For dinner, we are having, it's weird because we're all home, so I guess we can have dinner wherever we want. I'll just say 6 o'clock. We are having pork chops. And then on Tuesday, dinner is going to be a favorite of my daughter's. It's Hamburger Helper. And then Wednesday, we have HelloFresh. So now last week, they delivered my HelloFresh at 9 o'clock at night. So obviously it was not dinner for Wednesday. So normally it's here by 2. So I'm hoping it's here so that I can have that for dinner. If not, I've got a couple spare things in the freezer, refrigerator. And then Thursday will be HelloFresh. And Friday will be HelloFresh. Okay. So on Saturday and Sunday, I did not put the times down because I always like them to be a little bit freer and not so structured, and it'll be more of a to-do list. I'm still going to go ahead and figure out where to put, I might put my daily gratitude up here at the top, here on the days that I have that, but, or I might end up whiting out this and then putting it there. I'm not really sure. Okay. So as far as, I'm not even going to bother putting workout on here. I have not. So I'm not even going to plan it. I'm going to try it really hard to at least get my steps in, forcing myself to get up and walk around. Work has been crazy. So I've literally been working from very early in the morning to later on at night. So I'm hoping that this calms down this week. And at least while I'm on vacation, I can walk every day. And then I can figure out when I come back from vacation how to get that into a better balance. Let me just write AM, PM here. And then I still will, at the end of the day, I will still work to do my plan for the next day. So anything that needs to roll over to the next day because it didn't get done, I go ahead and move it before I close down my office for the evening. I would like to go back to in my morning routine. I would do just a 15-minute yoga stretch, and it just kind of helped. So since I'm sitting all day long, I get really stiff. So if I'm not gonna go out and walk. Now, last week it poured rain all week. So literally walked out just long enough to take the dog out with an umbrella and then back into the house. So this week is supposed to be really nice until Wednesday, and then Wednesday on rain again, which we need the rain in Arizona, but I have not seen that much rain for a long time. And then as far as meals on the weekend, I've got a few backups in my freezer. I'm sure you have tried to go to the grocery store. I went ahead and ordered HelloFresh even though I wasn't going to, just because I needed to have meals. And then I went to the grocery store on Friday night. I did Instacart on Friday, which was half of my order she could not fill. And I felt sorry for her because it was pouring rain and she was literally sending me pictures and the line was crazy. So I know people are panicking, but this is crazy. So I did go Friday night, pretty much got all the food that I needed for at least a week. So we had food in the house since we're all going to be here. And then ordered HelloFresh, so that's coming on Wednesday. And then I will order HelloFresh again for next week. And then we might supplement going out a couple of times because I still have money in my going out budget. And then this weekend, I don't have anything planned except for to organize what I'm going to do the following week. Now, I was going to go to Disneyland when I was on vacation, but that is not going to happen. And that is fine. It will force me to stay home and get some decluttering done. Okay, so got my meals in there, and then as far as my to-do list, they'll just keep rolling over. Got my calls in there. Okay, so once this is set, then I go to my inserts for the Louis Vuitton, which are personal size, and it is from Cloth and Paper. They're really nice quality. So I have a weekly and I have a daily insert. So the weekly insert is what I work on first. So for this one, just putting it out there, I remembered something that we have on Thursday. So because we had to cancel our trip, we are still doing our presentation to the account, which is what we were doing. And that starts at 8:30 my time. And it is gonna go until 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 12:30. So I'm gonna have to move this call back. Note on Monday to move Thursday's call. This is why I like to lay out my week this way. This reminds me of things that I need to do differently. I don't know what that is. It's weird. Okay, so that is Thursday. I knew I had something else this week. So on this, it's kind of weird. So it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So for Thursday, I'm going to have the webinar. Fall 2020. Hard to believe it's already. On Monday, I have a 10:30 call. Month-end reports. Hello. Weekend reports. That's why you do erasable. I need to work on my trackers. I need to work on order forms. On Tuesday, we have a 7:30 call, a WebEx. I have a 9 o'clock call. Then I count. I have a 12 o'clock call, count. And I need to start April at a glance. Wednesday is going to be April at a glance. I don't have any calls right now. Get all order forms off of my desk. Star next to that. Oh, and I need to work on my PO log. Those two kind of go hand in hand. Then Thursday I have the webinar, and then I have my PO log call. Friday we have a planner call. And I have a touch base with my boss on my vacation. Okay, so that's just kind of lays out the week, and then obviously on the daily pages I go into a really deep dive on my to-do list. Anything that comes up that wasn't planned, I do write into my list. So if I'm wondering what happened during my day, I have a record of everything that I did that I had planned, plus everything that got thrown at me that was somebody else's sense of urgency. So I find that it helps me to remember why I didn't get something done that I thought I was going to, or when somebody says, you know, did you send this? I can say, yes, I sent it to this person on this time. So that has really helped me to kind of just nail down my day. So this usually stays by my bed, and I kind of just do a brain dump in here, and I write down things like, oh, don't forget to do this, don't forget to do that. And then my personal size planner stays on my desk. It fits on there really well. And this helps to just go ahead and have it open on my desk to write things in daily. And then I also usually take a little bit of time at night just to move things from one list to another list. So this system has worked well for me. I'm going to try it this way for this week and see if this works well as well. I do like the fact that I did take all of my daily Petites and put it into one binder. I would like a metal ring, so I might do that on my vacation to see if Office Max or Staples could do a metal ring. This was as big of a ring as FedEx copy shops had, which is a 33 or 32, he said. But I did want the whole year in one, and then I just used the Erin Condren tabs at the top, and then took the cover from one and the behind from another and just made my own cover. And then this is a sticker that my daughter made. It's a vinyl sticker of the state of Arizona. So that is the plan for the week of March 16th through the 21st. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with what date that is. For my plan with me. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week. Wash your hands. Stay healthy. Thanks so much for watching.